Okay, so we have the both intakes or charge pipes off. You can see some oil residue in both of them. If you want to remove this, you better put a screwdriver in here and pull, and you have two clips, so you have them on both sides. You need to unclip them, so pull, unclip, unclip to a point where it just stops, then simply pull the hose and push the clip back. So now for installation, you simply push that hose back. With a little bit of a push, it'll clip back in place. Of course, you need to clean it first. So same thing on this side, except the clips, see, now it's back. The clips are in their place, so if I push this, you see that it stops right there. But then it goes back in, and now it's ready to couple. So you can see the beautiful grease. Oh, we're gonna take the intake off eventually, so we'll be doing some cleaning there. We're gonna clean the intake manifold once we have it off. Unplugged all of the wires, but you can see I'm kind of worried about this. I might actually cut it and try to, well, you see, in this case it has melted, so it has damaged the pin. I might just buy another connector and remove those pins from that connector, put them into the new one and clip it in, and then put this one back into here just to see what happens. Now in this case, it does seem like it was repaired due to a short or something. Something happened. I can see that the number 5 pin is discolored. The male and the female has completely kind of melted the area around it. The pin connector. This is the other connector. I still didn't decide if I'm gonna be removing the cables at the bottom on both sides. Just a tip, if you want to open the oil filter, you need to get a standard oil filter wrench and just put some duct tape on the inside so that it grips, and then give it a nice tug and it should open. I don't know which size this one is. I'm going to close this because I'm not sure which one or what size this is, but yeah, just in case you're stranded and you need to open the oil filter for any reason. I'll open a few more bolts here, there. I'm gonna try to put all of the bolts back where they belong, just so it'll make it easier for the reassembly later. I'm gonna remove these pipes, so they only fit one way. The one on the driver's side has the connectors here, or the holders for these fuel related lines, I believe, or I don't know, not sure yet. We'll find out. It's my first time working on this car. And the passenger side has much smaller holders. Here we have our first casualty, this hose. I'm gonna try to shorten it and just connect it, and if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna replace the hoses. It seems like they go into some sort of a check valve system here. Not sure what it is. Again, we'll look it up. This is the first time working on the car. We'll see how it goes. And for this case, for the time being at least, I have some liquid electric tape. So liquid electric tape. I'm just gonna seal it for now until I find a more permanent solution. and we'll see how that goes. What else? What else? Well, let me get some wires out and we'll check back. Talk to you soon.